Hey friends, my name is Joel Logan. I am the fashion host here in Denver, Colorado. It's finally getting a bit chilly here, so I thought it'd be fun if I show you some of my favorite layering pieces for the season. Let's go. Our fall-winter collection is inspired by Amelia Earhart. Something I think we did really well this year are the mid-weight, lighter weight jackets that are really fun and great for layering. They're gonna give you a little bit of warmth, but they're not gonna be super hot and heavy like a traditional coat. When I'm layering, I like to have lighter layers underneath. So I definitely want a colorful one because fall-winter can be kind of drab. Definitely gonna start with this one. Something that I always like to pair with a lot of things are chinos because they have elastin in it. They're very comfortable and they're one of the most comfortable pants I've ever owned in my entire life. So I want to show you how to style down a turtleneck today. Be right back. Here's my first look. I want to do this earth tone, almost military feeling oversized jacket. We paired it with the black turtleneck, and I wanted to do a lighter color chino just to not make it feel so heavy and drab. And then we finished it with these great army green boots to tie in the color of the jacket. For this one, let's do a little bit more color. Look number 2. So this is a bit more colorful, bit more bright. I paired this with a organic cotton white t-shirt, our gray Ralstons, and our newest avian leather boots. So for this last look, I want to do something a little bit more classic. This one. For my last look, I wanted to do a classic camel overcoat. I wanted to dress it down with a black tee. It has this fun navigational detail, and we styled it with a pair of essential denim and a classic white plaka. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you feel inspired to up your coat game and you come in and see us. Bye.